Welcome guys back. Today we're playing Chicken Gun again, but this time we're gonna do something unnatural. Follow me on this. Let's go in here first. Meet the G733. Oh yeah, I forgot it here. Don't mind me just putting in ammo. This isn't my idea. I stole somebody's idea because I thought it was cool and creative. This is gonna take too long. I give up on this thing. These missiles are a little too heavy. Okay. Time for the big part. Meet the upper parts. And yeah, you can already see what is going on. As you can see, there is 4 ammo cannons here, and an extremely long one. And the extremely long one is in here. Like here, it's all the way over here. Yeah, and if you were wondering, this is how the MG50 or 33, I forgot its name, immediately looks like. Wait. There you go, MG33. Like, look, it got 2 cannons here and a light bulb that shoots flames like a shotgun shell on steroids. Got 2 giant pillars that looks like a can. It's a little too heavy, isn't it? But it takes a champ. This looks like a tank that will look like this looks like a tank that was created by a person who was around 2 years old. Why did I create something that is like this? Okay, that's it for this video. Like, tank showing veils. I'm going back to it. And remember, my best tank ever is the KG 70 100,000. So ba 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 ba.